My dear, waiting be your name.
My name is Temitope Brekete.
Temitope
Brekete.
Which work you they do?
I repair wristwatches. I'm an horologist.
Eh?
Horologist.
Urologist. Now the science of repairing watch be that.
Yeah.
For the first time where they hear this one. If not,
urologist.
It's so if they won't call an agogologist because wristwatch for Hausa language na agogologist. My dear, what inspire you into wristwatch repair?
Okay, I work for Swatch for 8 years.
Oh.
And they have elasticity, like after sales service they don't have it. And it got me curious, so I always ask them that they need to do this, they need to do that, but they don't pay attention to it. So I pick interest in it and I started learning it one way or the other, asking questions. To the extent I got to Yaba Tech to get some knowledge. Then I got some people to be my mentor, and it was fantastic. I was enjoying it. I was really interested in it. But it got to a stage there was nobody to sponsor me concerning it. But I still press on, and it got to a stage I need to leave the company. I told myself, I don't want to do any other work because I love cooking, and that was what I wanted to do before. But I discovered that I love repairing wristwatches anytime, even if it is not for money. I see somebody repairing, I want to know, I want to repair it for the person. So I told myself, no, I'm going to go more further about it. So I went further. Then I discovered that my company, they have to tell me to go by that period. So I resigned, and I told myself I still want to continue this thing. So anytime I have time, because it's in Sedi Plaza, and I see that people that need to fix their watches mostly come to that place. So I'll go under the tree, park there, and start telling people, please, I repair wristwatches. Can you? So a lot of people don't want to because their watches are very expensive. And so they will tell me that no, a lady, no, don't touch my wristwatches. So I told myself I must get a shop in Sedi Plaza and make them know that I can do this. And that was how. Thank you. So that was how I continue. I did that for like a year. I was pregnant, but I still struggle with it, and it was so fun actually, and I was able to finish it. So after my delivery, even in the hospital, some people were like, no, you have to repair my wristwatches. I remember the second day I deliver, a policewoman who came to the hospital with wristwatches that I must repair her wristwatches, and I was delivered through a cesarean section. So, and I said no problem. I stood up and I fixed the wristwatches. Till today, the woman is always
make we appreciate her.
Yeah.
Now only wristwatch you repair. What about wall clock?
I do.
What of this one we will have some people they call agogo megwewa?
I don't know the meaning of that. Okay, yes, I do. I do.
Clock we get blancos, we get testicles. Clock we get testicles.
Grandmother, they call it grandmother's clock.
Make I know explain to her. You understand? You know.
Yes, they call it grandmother's clock. Grandmother's clock.
The one where they.
Yes, that's what they call it.
From Brocos.
I know it.
Grandmother.
You did repair that one too?
Yes, sir.
So you did repair anything where they dangle? No. Answer me.
In as much as it's a clock, I will repair it.
A clock now. A clock. You get timing, ba? Anything
clock.
Even the one where they dangle.
I do.
Even the one where they dangle, ba? Wait till I talk now. Person no go ask question now.
Please, you are free to ask.
Now from question you go get
Harmless question.
very harmless. So you dey repair wristwatches,
Yes.
wall clocks,
Table clock.
stable
Your
clock,
car remote batteries, I can fix it for you. Yeah.
standing clock,
Yes, I can do that.
the one where they dangle,
Yes, sir.
where after small time here, gang, 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 gang. No be. What till I talk now? Like let's assume 12 o'clock now. You hear? Gang, 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 gang. Raja, Tanko, no problem. My dear,
Yes, sir.
today, from today,
Yes, sir.
you are no longer a local watch repairer.
Thank you, sir.
From today,
Thank you, sir.
you are an international watch repairer.
Amen. Thank you, sir.
Now, if they bring wristwatches like Rolex and the rest,
Yes.
wristwatches will get certificate,
Yes.
you they repair them.
Yes, sir.
What of glass will crack? You they fix them.
It's very simple.
Seconds,
Yes,
Yeah.
I'll fix it back for you.
make we appreciate now. Now, your office there for Sedi Plaza,
Sedi
where I
Plaza.
see you yesterday.
Yes, sir.
By the
At the
right.
basement, yes.
If I beg give us phone number.
My phone number is 080.
Calm down, Jegede, calm down. Oh yeah, take him.
Okay. It's 080 23 60 70 08.
Repeat it.
080 23 60 70 08.
For the last time, you go repeat the number, but this time around, reduce the gear.
Okay.
Put them for gear 0.
Okay, sir. It's 080 23 60 70 08.
Make we clap for her. Where your phone day?
It's here.
Carry him.
Okay, sir.
You don't hear it?
No, I put it on flight.
No, on now, quick.
Okay.
Come out for flight mode. Repeat the number again.
080 23 60 70 08.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. Hello.
Hello. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm very happy for what I heard from you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma.
I pray may God make a way and bless you and increase you in Jesus'
Amen.
name. My
Amen.
name is Dorothy Rumuseli. I'm calling you for Nyanya.
Okay.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
This is my name for Otako.
Okay.
Well done, sir.
Thank you. Oh, lo.
Now for wristwatch, yo. Hello. Oh yeah. Message.
Calls that they are trying to call. At this notification.
Some of them now toast, they go toast you. Some of them now beg, they go beg you for money. Some of them now connect me with ordinary president. Some of them now customers them be. Yeah. You dey see?
It's missed calls, as in.
No call them back.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
It will be waste of credit. Some
Okay,
of them. Announce the number again.
080 23 60 70 08.
Step out. Make you
Thank
go
you, sir.
answer your call. After the program, you come back. Go and answer them. Make we appreciate her.